Explain Kafka's publish-subscribe model. Let's start with the basics. In a publish-subscribe model, there are two main roles: publishers, producers, who send messages, subscribers, consumers, who receive messages. But unlike a simple one-to-one messaging system, here's the twist. Subscribers don't talk directly to publishers. Instead, Kafka sits in the middle, acting like a smart post office. In Kafka, data is published to topics. A producer sends a message to a topic, and any number of consumers subscribed to that topic can receive that message. Why Kafka's pub-sub is powerful. Here's why Kafka's publish-subscribe model is awesome. Multiple consumers. One message can be read by many consumers independently. Replayability. Kafka stores messages, so consumers can read from any point in time. Decoupling. Producers don't need to know who the consumers are. Systems are more flexible and loosely coupled. Consumer groups. Kafka scales by grouping consumers. Each message is delivered to only one consumer in a group. Perfect for load balancing. Real-world analogy: YouTube and subscribers. Imagine you're a YouTuber, like me. Every time I upload a new video, I'm the publisher. And you, my awesome viewers, are the subscribers. You get notified when I post, but I don't need to know exactly who watched or when. That's Kafka in a nutshell. Let's say you have an e-commerce app. Every time someone places an order, the producer sends an order-placed event to a Kafka topic. Now, 3 different services subscribe to that topic. One updates the inventory. One sends the confirmation email. One logs the order for analytics. Each of them consumes the same event independently. That's the power of Kafka. Quick summary. Kafka uses a publish-subscribe model. Producers publish messages to topics. Consumers subscribe to topics. Messages can be replayed, shared, or balanced across groups. Kafka makes systems scalable and decoupled. So now you get why Kafka is so popular in real-time systems. If you love this explanation, smash that like button, subscribe for more clear tech tutorials, and tell me in the comments, which Kafka topic do you want next? Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a byte.